This video is going to demonstrate how to foam roll the front of the thigh. So that's going to be the tight quadricep muscles in the front and also the hip flexors up at the proximal portion of the thigh. So when you're foam rolling the thigh muscles, you want to start nice and high, and then you're going to work your way down towards the knee. And as you're going down, pay attention to where you feel the tightness or sore spots. And whenever you do feel one of those spots, you want to really sink your body weight into it, try to relax into the foam roller, and that's going to help decrease the muscle tension in those focal spots of tightness. So you'll spend about 30 seconds holding each of those spots before you move on to the next one. So I'm going to demonstrate what the positioning looks like. So we recommend doing one leg at a time for best benefit of the muscles. So you're going to start way up high into the thigh here, and then you're going to start army crawling down. So you're keeping the support of your forearms and the other leg here to vary the pressure on the muscles. So then right there, I feel a lot of tightness and tension in the muscle fibers. So now I'm going to stop on it, and I'm going to shift my weight onto it and just really hold that spot with a lot of weight behind it. Now, if you can tolerate it, you can try crossing the other leg over to really get that extra bit of weight and pressure behind it. And you just want to make sure that the leg you're working is relaxed the entire time. So you'll hold that, and then you'll continue that process down to the knee and back up. You can repeat that multiple times and try hitting just different lines of the muscle and paying attention to where those tight spots are, and again stopping where you feel the tension and sore spots in the muscle. Now, after you foam roll, if you feel like there's a few spots that have just some real tight spots, and what you can do is go back with a lacrosse ball, and this is going to get more depth into the muscle and a little bit more oomph behind the foam rolling essentially. So you'll set the ball down there and position the ball around the thigh here, and then use the other hand to try to just pinpoint where those real tight spots were. So right there, I feel a lot of tension there. So I'm just letting my leg sink into that spot, letting my body relax into the lacrosse ball. And then if you can tolerate it, get the other leg over to really get some weight and tension behind that ball there. Now you'll hold it for about 30 seconds. After that, then you can move it around to the other spots where you felt just real focal spots of tightness. Now, with all foam rolling and self-myofascial release techniques, you want to do just a little bit each day. So spend a few minutes on each muscle group you're working. Do that every single day, as opposed to just picking one day a week where you spend 30 minutes doing it just one time a week. So a little bit each day helps a lot with the muscle tension, especially when in conjunction with getting some manual therapy, some myofascial release done in the office to help break down those tight tissues.